Hi guys, just wanted to make a short video of the things that I got based on the donations you gave. So I went ahead and I replaced the bottles of water with socks. So these socks came out to $19.29 and they come in 24 packs. And the next one is the deodorant. These came out to $32.93 and there's 36 pieces of these. And then we have the tissues, which came out to $16.94 and they come in 24 packs. Then we have the toothbrushes. It came out to $13.40. And then we have toothpaste. These came out to $17 and there's 24 and 24. These are the shampoos. There's 50, but when we package these, and there's 50 soaps, we put 2 and 2 on each bag. And then we have Ziplock bags. There's 24. This came out to $4. And then all the snacks, which I got them for free because my mom, she works at a restaurant, and she was able to get these for me for free. And then we have the flyer with the direction for the rescue mission, where they provide food, shower, and shelter, and the gospel. And it's a Christian shelter home. And in the back we have the gospel. So yeah, here's the finished product. And yeah, so the links for each product, they'll be on the links will be below this video, so in case you want to start your own. Alright, thanks.